The Fisher-Price Tough Trike Harley-Davidson Edition. Parents, assemble. Step 1. Sit the seat onto the frame. Push firmly near the back end of the seat to snap it into place. Step 2. Slide a hub peg side up onto the rear axle. Slide a rear wheel indented side down onto the rear axle. Slide a bushing onto the rear axle. Step 3. Turn the frame so that the bottom side is facing you. Insert the rear axle assembly through the holes in the rear of the frame. Step 4. Place a scrap block of wood or something similar on a flat surface. Slide a bushing onto the rear axle. Slide a rear wheel flat side first onto the rear axle. Slide a hub pointed side first onto the rear axle. Place a cap nut onto the rear axle. Tap the cap nut with a hammer. Gently pull the wheel to make sure the cap nut is secure. Step 5, and we are halfway there. Turn the assembly upright. Fit and snap the wheel caps into the slot on the hub. Repeat this procedure for the other side. Step 6. Fit 2 pedal hubs onto the pedal axle tabs. Make sure the tabs fit into the slots in each pedal hub. Press the pedal hubs into the center of the front wheel until they are flush with the surface of the front wheel. Repeat this procedure on the other side with the other 2 pedal hubs. Step 7. Place the front wheel assembly between the fork arms. Place a fork cover over the pedal axle on one fork arm. Insert 2 small screws into the fork arm cover and tighten. Repeat this procedure to attach the other fork cover to the other fork arm. Step 8. With the fork covers facing the rear wheels, insert the fork post up through the holes in the neck of the frame. Step 9. Fit the handlebar back to the fork post and handlebar front. Hold them together firmly. Insert the remaining small screws in the outer holes of the handlebar back and tighten. Then insert the large screw through the center hole of the handlebar back and tighten. Now insert your decals and you are done. This is Jay for J3 Reviews. Good night and goodbye.